Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel for this week's Toolbox safety topic video. Before we get started, make sure that you give me a thumbs up down below here to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel where you'll find additional videos of this nature along with other safety related videos and leadership training videos. Well, let's go ahead and get started. This week's Toolbox safety topic is on heavy equipment operations. Heavy equipment is used on many different kinds of work sites all around the world. This equipment is very effective for the job it was designed to do, but it can also be very hazardous. Proper work planning, as well as operating equipment within its designated limits, are essential basic steps for safe operation. Let's talk about some of the hazards of heavy equipment. There's the struck by hazards. Heavy equipment is responsible for many injuries and fatalities in the workplace. Ground personnel are far too often struck by equipment when they are in the line of fire. And then there's property damage. When operators do not see vehicles, materials, objects, tools, buildings, etc. in their area of operation, property damage occurs. These incidents cost employers millions of dollars a year in losses. And then there's contact with power lines and other utilities. Equipment should stay at least 20 feet away from power lines and poles. When the voltage of the line increases, the distance to stay away from the lines also needs to increase. And there's underground utilities as well, such as gas, fiber optic, even electric underground. So make sure you do the call before you dig, before you commence excavation. And then there's leaks. Leaks can cause issues in the equipment as well as damage to the environment. Many project owners have a very strict zero tolerance policy when it comes to leaks. And then there's equipment failure. Hydraulic or other systems that fail can cause a major incident. Let's talk about some of the best practices relating to heavy equipment operations. All equipment should be inspected prior to use. Any problems found with equipment should be corrected before it is used. Equipment should have seat belts and a rollover protective system to protect the operator in case of a rollover or a crash. Work areas should be properly delineated and give enough space given to heavy equipment to operate properly. Clear out all unnecessary personnel, objects, and vehicles from where the equipment is operating. Operators should complete a walk around of their equipment every time before getting back into the cab to be sure no objects, people, or vehicles are in a blind spot. And then proper training and fit for work. Employees need to be familiar with the equipment they are to operate. Employees also need to ensure that they are not operating equipment if they are excessively fatigued or sick. Now, in summary, this is a small list of the many hazards that are present when dealing with heavy equipment on a job site. Consider what unique hazards the equipment and job tasks create on your work site. Constant focus on pre-task planning as well as what safeguards are needed is vital to remain safe while operating heavy equipment. There's a couple discussion points you should go over with your team when you have this safety topic with them. What risk are we still facing on site regarding heavy equipment operations? And also, what steps can we take to create a safer work environment? All right, boys and girls, that's it for this week's Toolbox safety topic video. Have the discussion with your teammates about operating safely around heavy equipment. Take the time, teach them the hazards, make sure they understand. Anyway, that's it for this week's Toolbox safety topic. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a thumbs up down below here to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel where you'll find additional videos of this nature, other safety-related videos, and leadership training videos. And until we see each other again, take care of yourself because you're number one. Look out for your co-workers and help ensure their safety. Have a grateful day, and remember, I will see you in the field. Phew, all right. Let's get this party started. Sound check. Sound timing. All right, let's get this party started. Toolbox safety topic. Heavy equipment operations. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, I gotta wait for the daggum teleprompter to go and then we'll get started. Okay. Oh, come on, man. You son of a... Stop recording.